Welcome back to 1834 Restoration House, where we have yet another house hunt video for you today. So today we're going out to the country somewhere in rural South Carolina, and we're going to go visit a Victorian farmhouse. This place was built in 1900, and it has this really neat look from the front. It also has a two-car garage. It also has an outbuilding, which was used as a salon and could be repurposed.
I'm curious to see what that looks like.
What could we use that for? That could be really handy.
And it comes with an acre.
It does come with an acre. Yep.
I like that idea too.
Yep. On a quiet country road.
Yeah.
So it looks pretty good from the pictures. We're going to go inside and check it out. So we'll see you right over there.
I'm excited about this one.
This house has a really large air conditioner system. I don't know how many square feet this house has at the moment, but it must be pretty substantial to have that big of a condenser. Now let's go over here and I want to show you a couple of things.
This here is a small building. That's a salon.
This could be useful for any number of things. Let's go get a haircut.
Yeah.
This building was used as a salon at one point. Still has the head washing sink. It's got a little restroom here.
There's another something back there too.
Kind of reminds me of an old mother-in-law suite or a granny cottage or something. But it has washer and dryer. There's your water heater, although you can't really see it. This building would make a really nice office.
Office?
It would.
Oh, what happened? I want my sewing space.
A sewing space?
Yeah, I could do quilts in here and sewing, all kinds of stuff. Oh. I'm loving that idea.
Okay. She's already laid claim to it.
Yes, I did. There's no doors, but it's a good solid building, it looks like.
Yeah, this looks like a pretty substantial garage or workshop. I mean, it's got the block walls, a concrete floor, and the floor is in fabulous condition.
Yes, it is.
It's wonderful. All it really needs is some insulation up top and a couple of doors.
Maybe a better roof. I don't want that flying off.
A better roof?
I don't know what kind of weather we get here yet.
I don't know, but you see the critters that are building a nest right there?
Oh, yeah. Wasps.
It happens.
The wasps?
Yeah, you're gonna get wasps.
Okay.
You just need to keep up on them. Don't let them get ahead of you.
Okay.
Yeah. I think this would make a great workshop.
It would. It would.
It is huge enough.
I could put the routers and planers out here and make all kinds of stuff. Here's a nice gazebo over here. That's a good question. I wonder if they have well water out here.
I think that is the well house, but I don't know if it's it.
Oh, looks like a well house.
Oh, okay. It's got a redneck lock right there.
Redneck lock.
Yeah.
Sure enough, there's a well pump right there. Okay. If it's on a well, it's most likely on septic too, I would think.
Yeah, I would guess.
It's January, we got flowers.
Yeah.
Aren't they beautiful? And they're big. Look at that. Oh.
It's amazing.
And there's little buds
Yep.
everywhere. This is incredible.
Welcome to South Carolina.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going in the back door of this house. It's a really nice country home here. Not sure exactly what we're seeing down here. They look like wood floors, but they have a...
It's not a wood floor. It's a cute little kitchen. But you know, this is big enough to work with.
Mm-hmm.
It is.
Yeah, check out this vintage range over here. I'm going to put that maybe 1980s, maybe?
Maybe. I don't know. Okay, and then it comes right into... Would this be the dining room? It looks more like a living room.
It is kind of a living room.
You know what? I'm going to call this a dining room with a fancy fireplace.
Okay.
Well, it's an actual wood-burning stove.
Yeah.
Yep, wood-burning stove, and here's a glass case Looks like they kept their gun stocks in there.
Gun case.
Yeah, sure is.
Well, you know, this is the South.
It is the South.
Oh,
Yep.
that's right. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the gun case there.
And they
Oh.
made that into a bedroom. I don't think that was original, but they've made it pretty cute.
It
Isn't that cute?
is. Oh, and I love the picture.
Yeah, little boy blue.
Very Victorian. Yes.
Oh.
Oh,
It feels roomy too. It doesn't feel like it's cramped.
they did a good job decorating this. This is a,
Parlor.
this would have been a parlor. Yeah.
There's a closet, kind of on the shallow side, but still functional. Seems kind of weird though to have the bifolding doors in a house of this age.
Look at this big, spacious entryway.
It is, yeah.
There's colors up on the ceiling.
I was just noticing that there's white.
Yeah.
There's a white line that goes all the way across the ceiling and then goes down the wall.
Each seam.
Yeah, at each seam.
Well, looking
Is
at the
that
roof
from age in the
outside,
South?
Here's some pictures of this house.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh, isn't that amazing?
That and that.
Oh, get those on camera. Oh, and a fireplace here too.
Huh.
Oh, look at that
We're
mantle.
looking at ourselves here.
I like that.
That's great.
Pretty.
It's all
That was
wood.
original?
Yeah, this room's a really neat space.
Look at this mantle. It's all wood.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
And they didn't paint the brick. I
Yes.
like that.
Well, most importantly, they didn't paint the wood.
Yes, they didn't paint the wood either.
They didn't paint the wood. That's important. So look at this wood here. This is quarter sawn oak. It's also rough quarter sawn oak. That's kind of interesting.
The porch floor is good. It looks all solid. There's no cracks. But you can see the railing. It's all kind of peeling. It's getting old. And up above, you can see there's some rot up here.
Yeah.
And it's coming unpainted here. So
Yeah, sure enough.
it looks like the entire porch, we would need to clean it up and get it repainted at least. And then take that piece has to be replaced totally because that's a whole.
The upper deck here is made of plywood, which doesn't weather too well.
Right.
Okay, here's another one of the interior rooms. I'm not sure if this is a bedroom or
It would be a bedroom.
I think
yes.
it may be a
There's two
master
closets.
bedroom actually.
You think that's the
And here's a bathroom. And you can see me and my camera here, courtesy of Sony.
This is an addition.
This is that addition we saw on the side. Okay,
Yes.
all right.
Shoes. Because they've got it angled.
Yes.
That must be for shoes.
Shoe rack. This is my closet.
A shoe rack? She's already laid claim to the shoe rack. That's
Yes. I think we need more though. We might need another shelf there, but
all right. Here's another bathroom. This one here is kind of interesting because it has a, I don't know, maybe 1940s, I'm guessing, era toilet there. And check out that bathtub too. Isn't that something? That is amazing. Did you see this, love? Look at this. 1940s, I'm guessing, on the tub and toilet here.
yeah. Oh, that's incredible.
And then the tile work.
Okay.
Okay, it's time to go upstairs now and see what in the world is going on up here.
We are gonna hold our flashlight for y'all because we haven't been able to find a light yet.
Oh, okay.
Come on up. It's a steep stairs. Be careful.
Here's a switch. Hold on, watch yourself. Oh, here we go. Oh,
Oh, this is an attic space up here.
yeah.
Oh, it's not a second floor?
Well, it is, but it's.
You can see outside through the walls.
I gotta open this up so we can see. There we go.
Well, you're not supposed to.
Here we go. That's as far as the door opens,
Those are the-
so you'll have to be careful.
Those are the original wood
Shingles.
shingles.
Oh, is that right? Wow. That's incredible.
Oh my gosh.
This is a lot of space up here.
Yeah. but
Here's the
there's a
TV
lot of-
antenna.
Gotta be careful where you step.
Look what we have over here.
Couple extra doors.
Original doors. And you can see where the decorative plates used to be too.
That is a large fan.
Huh.
That used to go outside.
Well, I'm surprised. I thought this was a second floor until
Come
we got
look
up
at
here.
this.
Yeah.
It could be.
My love, come look at this.
Yes, what do we have?
A very large fan that used to go outside.
Whoa. That is a big fan.
Is that like major air conditioning? What do you think, people?
A big attic.
This space could have been finished off and turned into bedrooms, but for some reason never was.
But we could.
We could.
We
certainly could.
It's insulated and
Yeah, there's plenty of rooms. I mean, they'd be really cozy rooms, but they would be rooms
that's
nonetheless.
okay, you know? For our future, somebody could use it for like little children or something. It'd be
Yeah,
lots of
definitely.
their own private space.
Right.
That would be fantastic.
Let's go check out this other side over here.
Yeah, it's, watch your step.
Yeah, watch your step.
Yeah, the floor is a little sketchy on this side, but
It is. Oh, look at that window.
oh wow.
Watch your step.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Watch your head.
I'm going to try to show you the window here. Let's just do that. There we go. There we go. How many inches is that board?
1 3/4.
1 3/4? Oh, okay. The modern 2x4s are 1.5 inches, and they've also been planed down, but these ones here have not been planed. You can see where the saw marks are right there.
Yeah.
This is really old lumber.
Yeah, it is.
Very old lumber. Yeah, so we do have a water intrusion issue here.
With the flashing being missing off of this chimney.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see it on camera there, but you can see daylight.
Come on over here, you
Yeah.
can see it.
Yeah, you
Come
can
back
you can
this
definitely
side.
see it. There's water comes in through that and then comes down, and
Come look on
it's
this
been
side,
causing
too.
some problems. Here's another view of the flashing that's missing or has come loose up there. So there's nothing to stop the rainwater from coming right down. Well, that was quite a place, wasn't it?
Yes. Yeah, it was a surprise.
Yeah, it had some good points and some bad points.
Yes.
But it certainly was a charming place, I've got to say that.
Charming.
Charming is a good way of putting it. However, the roof had some problems. We showed how the flashing was no good and water was literally coming right down the chimney into the attic.
Yes. And how many layers was on that roof, we do not know. There was at least 3 that we could see. There might have been more, I don't know. But it was wobbly, scary looking.
Yeah, it looked to be, at least to my eyes, it looked to be about 1.5 inches to 2 inches thick roofing, which tells me that nobody ever took off the previous layers. In fact, we know that the old wood shingles are underneath there because we could see them in the attic space.
In the attic.
So, interesting house though. The bedroom was absolutely enormous. The master bedroom.
Yes, that was beautiful.
And I loved the workshop space. It was huge. It needed doors. It looks to me like somebody didn't quite finish the thing, and it needs to have some doors put on, maybe some, I don't remember if it had lights or not, but it needs to be built out to be a workshop, but that should be fairly simple. So how about the
Little salon.
little salon? Talk about that.
That would need to be gutted and started over again. There's a little bit of black mold in there. We noticed there was a musty smell everywhere. So it would need to be redone. But I would be okay with that. I think it would make a great sewing room still.
A sewing room.
I
There you go.
still love that
So you got the man cave over here and the woman cave over
That's
here. and
right.
We can wave at each other through the windows or something.
There we go, yes.
Yeah.
But the house, I loved the house. I think there was too much work though. I think it has to start from the top of the roof all the way down, and
Yeah.
all has to be redone, I
Yeah.
think.
Rotted fascias, rotted porches,
Yeah.
broken pillars on the porch, all kinds of little problems. And even the ceilings in the house look like water had dripped into them. Now, here's the interesting part about this whole house. So the realtor heads upstairs, and she said that she couldn't find the light switch. And I heard this commotion going on up there, and I went up there only to find out there really is no second floor. That was the attic.
The second
So
floor
that
is
really
the
nice
attic,
staircase
so-
went right up into an unfinished attic. So
Yes.
that was a surprise. We didn't expect
It
that.
was a surprise.
The fact that the house doesn't have a second floor is a detractor for me. Yes, we could finish the attic, but it's just not the same as having a full second floor. And there is a lot of work to do to the house, just so much rotten wood. Not that we're afraid of that or reluctant to take something on like that, but we'd really like the house to be a little more substantial if we're going to put that effort into it. But that's our opinion. What do you guys think? You've
Yeah.
gone through and you saw it with us. Is this something that you think we should tackle, or should we just run away?
Let us know in the comments.
All right, we'll see you next time.